Did you know one well-managed grape vine can produce fruit for more than 20 years and give steady income every season? Welcome to Discover Agriculture. Today, let's explore red grapes farming. Simple steps, smart care, and real profit potential. Red grapes grow best in loamy, well-drained soil with a pH between 5.5 and 6.5. Before planting, plow the land well and mix organic compost or farmyard manure. Use healthy, certified saplings and maintain 2 to 3 meters spacing. This allows proper sunlight and airflow. A good trellis system supports the vines, improves fruit quality, and makes harvesting easier. Water moderately. Avoid overwatering. It can cause root rot. Regular pruning removes weak shoots and helps produce stronger, healthier bunches. Feed plants with potassium and phosphorus-rich organic manure for better color, size, and sweetness. Watch for pests like aphids and mealybugs, and control them using organic methods to keep the vineyard healthy. Red grapes are ready for harvest in 150 to 180 days. Harvest early in the morning to retain freshness and juice content. Demand is strong for fresh markets, juice units, and wine processing. You can sell through local markets, traders, exporters, or wineries to maximize returns. With the right care and planning, red grapes farming can become a profitable and long-term venture. If this helped you, like the video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture.